It's Miss Hocking here, and I hope you've had a lovely weekend this weekend. I'm sure you all needed it. It was quite a tough week last week. We got through it. You did amazingly, and I was so impressed with all of your maths work that I received from both classes. So well done, everybody. Now today, for our maths learning, we're going to be thinking about number sentences again, but this time we're thinking about gaining a better understanding of inverse operations, and I'm going to explain exactly what that means in just a moment. Now, before we get started on our learning, I want to teach you all about a brand new type of diagram which will help us with our addition and subtraction number sentences. So this is a number bond diagram, and you might recognise it because it is quite similar to something that we use quite a lot. Now tell your parent what it is that we use quite a lot that looks a bit similar to this. It does have a hole and it has two parts. What is it? It's a part whole model. Well done. Okay, so this is our number bond diagram. And just as I have done, if you wish to make your own, you can do. All I've done is I've taken two circles, I've cut one in half to make my two parts here. Now, just as in a part whole model, we have our whole number over here and then our two parts over here. And you can see that these two parts are shaped a little bit differently to when we normally have circles in a part whole model. And that is to show that these two sections can come together to create the whole number. Now, the numbers in here could be half of this number, just like the shape is half of this shape. But also, I'm going to show you how they could be a bit different as well. And it doesn't matter that the shape is the same size as above. So, for instance, I am going to take this example. 8 is my whole number. And 1 is a part. And 7 is a part. Now, you can see and you know that 1 and 7 are very different sizes. So, if you only have one of something, just got one bead here, that is not very many. And then if I have 7 of something, just like here on my bead string, you can see that there are many more over on this side. They are not equally in half, but they are still two parts that make up the number. Okay, so with that in mind then, I want you to have a look at this problem here. My friend drew this. They snuck into my house and they've drawn this. Something's wrong with this. Can you pause the video and tell your parent what is wrong with this? You're absolutely right. They have put the wrong numbers in the wrong section. Now I wonder, can you please draw it to make sure that it is correct? So pause the film and try that now. Okay, so we are going to be looking at inverse operations today. I hope you can see my board okay. So here I've put a number sentence. I've put 2 add 3 equals 5. And I'm going to show that on my 10 frame here. So I've got 2, 1, 2, add 3, 1, 2, 3 equals 5. Now, something very special about this symbol here. Tell your parent what this symbol is. You're right, it's an equal sign. Now, this equal sign means the same as. And what I want you to do is say that with me, okay? Equals means the same as. Try it. Equals means the same as. So, what this number sentence is actually saying is 2 add 3 is the same as 5. And we know that that is true because we've got 5 here. Our top row is totally filled, so I know that there is 5. So 2 and 3 is the same as 5. Okay, interesting. So what if then I was to change it round? So I don't want to have 2 add 3 anymore. I want to have 3 add 2. I wonder, does that still have the same answer? Let's investigate it. Ready? 3, so that's 1, 2, 3, and then the other way around, add 2, 1, 2. Oh look, 3 add 2 is the same as 5. So 3 add 2 is the same as 5. And 2 add 3 is the same as 5. Okay, excellent. So we can see that we can move our 3 and our 2 around to make the same answer. Because if I have You can demonstrate this at home, parents, if you feel like you need to. If I have 3 of something and I have 2 of something, it doesn't matter which way round I put them. There are still 5 altogether. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, pause the video now and ask your grown-up for some help. Okay, so with that in mind then, I'm going to teach you another sneaky trick. Did you know that we could even put the answer to the addition sentence at the beginning of the number sentence? Oh my goodness, let's see if this makes sense now. It says 5 is the same as, or equals, 5 is the same as 3 add 2. Now tell your talk partner if you think that makes sense. You're absolutely right. 5 is still the same as 3 add 2, even if the answer is at the beginning of the sentence. Excellent. So then, what I want you to have a go at doing is have a look on your worksheet and you will see the beginning section looks like this, okay? Now I want you to have a go at looking at this and filling in our number bond diagram over here. And then the next questions are all based around having the answer to a number sentence first. Because all you need to remember is that this symbol here simply means is the same as. So it doesn't matter if our answer goes at the beginning or if our answer goes at the end, it still makes a number sentence and it is still absolutely correct. So let's have another go at a different one then. So if I was going to say 7 is the same as, and I'm going to choose the number 3, add, can you please tell me what number would go in here? What number do I need to write on this post-it note? 7 is the same as 3 add 4. You are absolutely correct. Excellent. Now, I hope that has made sense. That was a whistle-stop tour, very, very quick. If you do need any help with that or your children are getting confused, please chat option me. That's absolutely fine. I may also be able to do some interactive lessons or explanations if you need it. So please do get in contact and I'll do whatever I can to help. I hope you have a wonderful day, children. And I can't wait to see you soon. Hopefully I'll be back later today with a few updates about maybe doing some lessons where we can see each other face to face. That would be awesome. Okay, take care. Bye, everyone.